Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I decided to solve the quantitative reasoning questions of the GRE from the different available sources. If you have any question, you can send it to me, and for example, if I receive 10 questions, I will make a video for all of them, and I will categorize the questions from easy, moderate, and advanced questions. I copied this text from the ATS site. Quantitative reasoning measures the ability to understand, interpret, and analyze quantitative information, solve problems using mathematical models, and apply the basic concept of arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data analysis. There is an emphasis on quantitative reasoning skills. In this paragraph, it says that, in a nutshell, what is the questions in the quantitative reasoning part about. It can be a very wide region, but by solving different kind of questions, you can find out that how easy it is. So let's start. In this session, I'll solve some questions that are categorized as easy. Okay, I'll solve 7 questions. Question 1 to 5 are comparison between A and B. A can be greater, B can be greater. The two quantities A and B can be equal, or we cannot say which one is greater or smaller, or if they are equal. It's related to the numbers we can give to the question. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's solve the first question. The question is comparison of A and B, which one is bigger or equal, or we cannot say anything about it. It says that S and T are positive integers. For those who don't know what are positive integers, I can say that positive integers begin from 1, 2, 3, 4. Those numbers for counting we use in everyday life. These are positive integers. Also, 0 is integer, but it's not positive, and -1, -2, -3, -4, and go down. These are negative integers. The question asks about positive integers which are more than 1, greater than 1. So they are 2, 3, 4, like this. So let's go with positive integers. Just need these and solve the question. The best way is to give numbers for S and T. Here we have 4, so the best thing is to give, for example, to S 4 and to T 4. Let's suppose that S is 4 and T is 4. So what will be this one? This is S, S is 4. Okay, to the T is 4. 4 over 4 is 1. 4 to the 1 is again 4. So quantity is 4. What about this one? S is 4. T is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we can say that quantity A is bigger than quantity B for these numbers. But we shouldn't jump to the answer. Most of the people make mistake, and if they find out that this one is bigger, so they choose A. But let's try another thing. If I'll pick for this kind of questions, you should pick one small number, for example 2 or 3 or 4, and one very big number, another border. I will choose 100 for S, and for T I choose 100. So S is 100 to the T over 4. T is 100 over 4 is 25. This is quantity A. What about quantity B? S is 100 to the T minus 4. T is 100 minus 4 is 96. 100 to 25, 100 to 96. The bases are equal, but this power is bigger, so quantity B is bigger. So the answer is D. Why? because for some numbers quantity A is bigger, and for another kind of numbers quantity B is bigger, so we cannot say which one, so which is D. Let's go to the question 2. In question 2 it says that x multiplied by y, its radical 99. If you say that from this one you cannot say what is x and what is y. For example, you can say that x is 1, y is square root of 99. So if we multiply by this together, this will be. And also we could say x is a very big number like this, and y is 1. These are kind of solutions for x and y, but we have one equation and two unknowns. For two unknowns to understand, we need two independent equations, so we cannot say. But from this one, we can say that x is the square root of 99, y is multiplied, comes to this part and comes to denominator. So x is square root of 99 on y. It's like 2 times 3 is 6. So we can say that 2 is our x. 2 is 6 over 3. I did this kind of thing. So let me erase it. So the quantity A is x to the 2. So from this one, what is x to the 2? The square root of 99 to the power of 2, it's 99. We know that, for example, the square root of a, if it goes to the power of 2, it becomes a. And y to the power of 2 is y2. We gave power of 2 to both sides of the equality. This is x2. This is quantity A. What about quantity B? Quantity B is 99 over y2. Also x2 is 99 over y2. So these two are equal. So we choose C because these ones are equal. This and this. So let's go to the next question. Next question gives two equations and two unknowns. Let's write them. A plus 2b equals 3. A minus b equals 12. Let's subtract the second one from the first one. We know from the elementary school how to subtract. A minus a is 0. 2b minus b is 3b. 3 minus 12 is minus 9. So 3 times b is minus 9. So b is minus 3. Like that one I said, that b equals minus 9 over 3, which is minus 3. Okay, we know from one of these equations, let's choose one of them. Let's choose the first one. In this equation, we know b. B is minus 3. Let's find out what is a. A is 2 times b. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6 equals by 3. So a is 6 goes to other side, so 3 plus, it's minus. If it goes to other side, it becomes plus 6. So a is 3 plus 6 is 9. So we can easily say that quantity A is bigger. So our choice is A. Let's go to the fourth question. In the first question, it says that revenue R that the company earns from offering X proportional discounts is given by the function Rx. Quantity is the revenue earned from offering 5 discounts, B is from 11 discounts. To solve these questions, we put discounts is our X. R is a function of the discount. So R of the 5 is minus 2. 5 to the 5 is 25. So 2 times 25 is 15. It's 50 plus 32 times 5 plus 160. What about R of 11? R of 11. This is minus 2. 11 to the 11. We should use calculator. If you don't know, let's me open calculator. This kind of calculator you have in your exam. So 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. 121 plus 32, 11 plus 160. You should say that which one is bigger. Easily by calculator you can calculate this, but we just want to say that which one is bigger than the other one. So these two are same, so why should we add to both of them? If you have suppose that I have $500 and you have $100, so my money is $400 more than you. If someone comes and gives me $200 and $200 to you as well, so again my money is $400 more than you. So we don't need to add these two numbers. Another simplification, this is 5 times of 32 and this is 11 times of 32. So we can delete this and make this one 6 times 32. For example, you have 5 apple, I have 11 apple. How much apple I do have more than you is 6 apples. So now let's calculate. I want to exercise your mind. These are simple questions, but you need to be fast in the exam. In this question, you could easily work with calculator. It's very good. You can understand how to multiply fast by calculator. But this kind of doing with your mind also makes you more advanced in calculating. So this one is minus 50. What about this one? This is, let me calculate with calculator. So 6 times 32 is 192 minus 121, but 2 times. 2 times of this, I know with my mind. 2, 4, 2 equal minus 50. Oh, actually they are same. Quantity A and B are same. So the answer is C. Let's move to the next question. I talked a lot about this question. Okay, let's solve it. We have a circle inscribed in a square of perimeter 36. Now it asks about the circumferences of the circle and 27. Which one is bigger? In this question, the square have 4 parts. If this part is an unknown x, all the edges are the same, so this edge also is x, this is x, this is x. So the perimeter is the summation of this 4x. So 4x is 32. So x is 36 divided by 4, so it's 9. X is 9. Okay, this is the diameter of the circle. So the diameter is parallel to this x and they are equal. So this one is x. The circumferences of the circle is the diameter multiplied by p. What is the diameter? It's x. It's 9 multiplied by pi. Pi is 3.14, and if we multiply by 9, let's see what will be with calculator. 3.14 multiplied by 9. Oh, it's 28 and something. So for sure A is bigger. So the answer is A. Also we could say that 27 is 9 times 3. It's pi times 9 and 3 times 9. Pi is more than 3, so this one is bigger. Let's move to the 6th question. This kind of questions, you should calculate and write something in this blank space. It says that no difference if you write 2.5, 2.50. Fractions do not need to be reduced to the lowest terms. What is lowest terms? For example, if you have 9 over 27, you can divide 9 by 3 is 3. Divide 27 by 3 is 9. Again, you can divide 3 by 1 and divide 9 by 3 is 1. All of these fractions are equal, and the question says that you don't need to simplify it. So whatever you want, you can write in the blank. In a triangle with perimeter equal to 24, the side lengths are 3 consecutive even integers. What is the triangle's area? First of all, you should know the even integers. I said that integers, what are they? In the first question, about the even integers, they are like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those can be divided by 2. These kind of integers are even integers. In this question, you have a triangle, and all of these even integers can be written by 2 times a k. K is a natural number. K is 1, 2, 3, like it. Put k equal 1. 1 times 2 is 2. K equal 2. 2 times 2 is 4. K 3. 3 times 2 is 6. K is 4. This kind of even integers. And they are consecutive. So if one is 6, the other is 8, the other is 10. If one is 8, the other can be 10 and the other can be 12. The other cannot be, for example, 22. They are not consecutive. So put it 2k. This one will become 2 more of it. For example, if it is 10, this is 12. 2k plus 2. And this is 2 more than this. 2k plus 4. And perimeter is 24. If you sum them up, it's 24. Let's sum them up. 2k, 2k, 2k is 6k plus 2, 1, this is 0, plus 0, plus 2, plus 4. So it's 6, equal by 24. So 6k, 6 goes to the other side, becomes minus 6. 24 minus 6 is 18. So k is what? K is 3 times 6, which is 18. So this side is, let me draw it again, 2 times 3, this is 6, so this is 2 more than of it, it's 8. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, and this is 2 more of it. Okay, now it asks about area of the triangle. Here, for those who do not know the answer, I need to explain something. By Pythagorean theorem, if it is 90, if it is x, if it is y, the other side will be x, the square root of x to the 2 and y to the 2. For example, let me ask questions. If it is 2, if it is 5, what is this one? This is the square root of 5 to the 5 is 25 plus 2 to the 2, 4. It's a square root of 29. Okay, but in this question, and also if I say that we have this kind of relations between the edges, we can say that this one is 90 degree. It's two-sided theorem. In our question, one of them is 6, this is 8, this is 6. If it was 90, what could be this one? 8 to the 8 is 64. 6 to the 6 is what's 36. If we sum them up, it's 100. Square root of 100, it's 10. Oh, in the question they gave it 10. So this should be 90. You should memorize this kind of relations. 8, 6, and 10. 8, 6, and 10 makes a number for the Pythagorean theorem for the finding the edges. Another, for example, if it is 3, if it is 4, what can this one be? This should be 4 is 60 plus 9, it's the square root of 25, so it's 5. So it's 4, 3, and 5. Look, this is 2 times. This is 2 times. This is 2 times of 5. Okay, so this angle is 90 degrees. So now let's go to the solution. If it is A, it is B, and this is 90 degrees. What is area? Area is A times B divided by 2. In our example, area is 8 times 6 divided by 2. Divide 6 by 2, 3 times 8, 24. So in this special question, this is 24 4. The perimeter and the areas are same. If you exercise this question, try to, if you couldn't solve before by yourself, try to solve it today and the next week and understand how is it. You should solve it in, for example, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. It's an easy question if you know the rules. This question is almost the same as the question 6. Let's go and solve it. In a mixture of nuts, the ratio of almonds to cashews to peanuts by weight is 5, 8, 11. Like the 8s. When 156 pounds of the mixture, it's the total amount, are made, how many pounds of the peanuts are used? Peanuts is the last one. It's this 11. So let's the proportion be x, for example. So let me choose a thicker color. So in a total, we have, for example, if every almond is 5 grams, if we choose 2 almonds, it becomes 10 grams. If we choose 3 almonds, it's 15 grams. It's like this kind of things. So in total, how many do we have almonds? We don't know. But every one of them is 5, so 5 times x plus, what about the cashew? It's 8 times x. We totally have x, and the other one is 11x. Now we have 5 of x, 8 of x, 11 of x. Sum them up. 5 plus 8 is 13 plus 11 is 24 times x is 156. So x is 156 divided by 24. Let's use, okay, 156 divided by 24 is 66.5. Okay, but we need 11 of them. So multiply by 11. The calculator is open. So let's directly multiply by 11. It's 71.5. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. I understand that it took time for these 7 questions, but I needed to explain in detail for those of you who don't know some rules. It depends on you and what things you made of it. But the questions are categorized as easy, so if you don't know this kind of question, you should exercise more. The repetition of these questions is so useful. You will understand the rules, you will understand how to attack to the question, what viewpoint should you use to solve the questions. If you have any question or ambiguity about how to solve this kind of question, if you couldn't understand any part, please let me know. I provide more details in the next videos. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos about this subject. I'll make more and more videos.